Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Jason coming at you one more again. The topic of this video, or what this video is about, is I'm gonna try and like clean up my batteries, just like make them look neater. Um, just I don't know, just neater, like. And I'm gonna show y'all the steps that the process that I got, what I'm gonna do, and show you before and after videos or footage, whatever. But anyway, let's get into this. Alright, first what you need, and I'll post a link down below to this product, is you're gonna need your carbon fiber wrap. I'll post a link down below where I got this at. This is a company called Easy Auto Wrap. Easy Auto Wrap, and that's the size. It's 12" by 6". Just basic carbon fiber wrap, and in it you would get this, you know, to kind of flatten it out, and you would get like a little knife, little blade in the kit, which I thought was cool. That's the first thing you need. Second thing you need is you need something that's gonna, like, you know, get the dirt and grime and degrease your battery and stuff like that, or, you know, just to get you a clean surface, get all that residue and stuff off. The second thing you're gonna need, just to get all the grime and stuff like that off your battery. So I'll post a link down below where you can get this stuff too. Local guy, local racer. Alright, let's get started moving these decals off the car here. Oop. So that's the first step, is just removing the decals off. So you get the gist. So I'm gonna move all this off, and we'll go from there. But yeah, you have some residue left behind. So move off, and yeah. Alright, Lipo stripped down. Another thing important to do is mark which side is negative and positive. Now it's time to strip off this residue. So what I'm using, like for the sides and stuff like that, is Clean Freak. So put some in a paper towel. And like the sides here, just clean that down. Yeah. Good. Clean the top. And the back here. The other side. Like I said, Clean Freak, he's a local racer, making his own, you know, cleaning chemicals. So I'm getting all that sticky stuff and stuff off, so shines a little bit. So yeah, go on to the next step. Now that I got the battery clean, and you can use this on like any surface, like you want to wrap or whatnot. So now I got the battery clean. I'm gonna go ahead and walk this, and you know what I want to do is get the wrap around, completely around the battery, around this outside one time. So got it here. And I got it on the edge, like right there. So I'm just gonna walk it down the wrap there, and then cut out what I got. So this is what I got, the strand like that. So now I'm just going to place it on the battery and go all the way around with it. Make it tight though, but yeah. So I wrapped it around, pulled the plastic off of it, so that's the side. So now I'm going to do the top, and do the top the same way. You know, I want to start it here. Oh, sorry about that. Bring it closer in. I want to start it here, and then here, and then keep walking it to where it wraps, to where the battery wraps already, or the carbon fiber wraps all the way around the battery. So what I'm gonna do is have it where it essentially folds like this across, and then the side. So here, across, and then the side. I'll leave the bottom unwrapped, but yeah. So I'm gonna do that here. So I have a piece like this right here. So set here, wraps there, making it tight, and then it goes down the side, and then I just round off the edges or cut the edges. So there we go. Using the little squeegee thing. Pull out of there. Just folding the sides in. So I just cut it like that there, kind of like a Christmas present. Cut the corner, or slice the corners, and just fold them in. Take the plastic off. So that's how it looks. So next I'll do my fingers like this here, and you can kind of see the holes a little bit. I don't know, you can kind of see the indentions of the holes. See that. Find the little balance hole. So yeah. So next, what I do is I'll take my red paint pen, and just kind of neatly put it around the positive bullet hole, like that right there, to mark the positive side. So that just looks so cleaner, you know. Instead, I got the bottom open, and that is how I wrap my battery. I'll post a link down below to the wrap, but yeah, just makes it look, I don't know, I'm going for that murdered out look, that blackout look, you know, all through the car. I'll kind of show you here. Yeah, I'm kind of going for that look. Just that blacked out look. So the whole car kind of matches. Hey, thank you for tuning in. It really means a lot. I really appreciate it. You really don't know how much it means to me. Thank you. You'd be doing me a tremendous favor by thumbs up and liking my video if you found it helpful or useful, or if you like the idea or like what I just showed. Thumbs up and like it. Hit the bell icon and you would get, you know, updates of videos I drop. You'd be like one of the first ones to watch it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at RcVitals, and you can follow me on Facebook at RcVitals. And down below, I got some of my videos that, you know, I thought they would be most helpful, especially for like beginners and people getting into it. But yeah, thank you. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned, and I'll try to have some more coming, and hopefully see you at the track. You know, if you see me at the track, come up and say what's up, you know. Just an average guy, regular guy like everybody else. So y'all be safe, and hopefully see you soon. Thank you.